If you feel like you're shedding more hair than you're growing, or if your edges are starting to look a little thin, stop scrolling. You don't need expensive chemical treatments. Today, I'm going to share the exact recipe that changed my hair game. We're making the viral rosemary and clove water spray. But I'm going to show you the correct way to make it, so you actually get the maximum potency from the herbs, without burning off the nutrients. This is GrowGlow Herbs. Let's get your confidence back. Welcome to the GrowGlow family. I'm so excited to start this journey with you. So, why this specific combination? Why is everyone obsessed with it? Simple. Rosemary is scientifically proven to improve blood circulation to the scalp. It basically wakes up your sleeping hair follicles. And cloves? They are a powerhouse for strength and fighting dandruff. When you mix them together, you get a liquid gold that stimulates growth and stops breakage. Here's everything you'll need. Fresh rosemary, about 2 to 3 sprigs. Dried works too, but fresh is amazing. 1 tablespoon of cloves. About 2 cups of water. And a spray bottle. Okay, step 1. And please don't skip this, wash your rosemary. We want pure herbs, not dust or dirt on our scalp. Now, bring 2 cups of water to a boil. Here is the secret. Once the water hits a rolling boil, turn the heat down to low, or even turn it off completely. We want to infuse the herbs, not cook them to death. If you boil them too hard, you lose some of the essential oils. Toss in your rosemary sprigs, and that tablespoon of cloves. Cover the pot immediately. This is important. You want to trap the steam, because that's where the good nutrients are. Let this simmer on very low heat for about 15 minutes. You'll see the water turn into a rich, dark amber color. That's the good stuff. After 15 minutes, take it off the heat, and let it sit until it's completely cool. I actually like to leave mine for a few hours, or even overnight, to make it super potent. Once it's cool, strain out the leaves and cloves. Look at that color. It looks like tea, and honestly, it smells like a spa. Very earthy and fresh. Pour it into your spray bottle, and you are ready to go. Now, how do you use this? I focus strictly on the roots. Part your hair, spray, part again, spray. You don't need to soak your lengths. The magic happens at the scalp. Once you've sprayed it, give yourself a 2-minute scalp massage. This helps the product penetrate, and it feels amazing. A quick note on storage. Since this is 100% natural with no preservatives, you must keep this in the fridge. It stays good for about 1 week. I usually make a fresh batch every Sunday. It's become a nice little self-care ritual for me. You can use this every day, or every other day. It's light, basically like water, so it won't weigh your hair down. Consistency is key with natural remedies. You won't wake up Rapunzel tomorrow, but if you stick with this for 30 days, you will see a difference in your shedding and baby hairs. If you're going to try this challenge with me, drop a leaf emoji in the comments below so I know who is joining the journey. Don't forget to subscribe to GrowGlow Herbs. Next week. See you next time.